What's up, guys? It is the SPD guy.
And the other SPD guy.
All right. He's my cousin, and we are going to do something somewhat very dangerous, but we're both like highly qualified. For safety reasons, I have to say, do not try to shit at home. Someone can die. And then I have one safely over here. He has one safely over here. So on 3, we're gonna set them up, and then you go back a few feet.
I can do that.
Wrong tube.
That's not the tube.
Yeah. All right.
Wesley, get your lighter on.
All right.
Yep.
Go.